Hey guys, I'm Alvin Wayne, and today I'm here with my dear friend, somebody I cannot get rid of, a pebble in my shoe, but
friend, none the least.
I couldn't live without this.
Ronnie is my name. Thank you for the introduction.
You're most welcome. No, I'm just playing. So today I'm here with Ronnie, my dear friend, and we are going to tackle my bathroom makeover. We're gonna install wallpaper. We're gonna accessorize it. Ooh. And then I'm gonna do the first flush.
It'll be fun.
It'll be real fun. Cause I got my friend with me, so y'all, it's gonna be a whole situation. So if you are new here and you like what you see, make sure you like, subscribe, share, comment. I respond.
He will respond.
Or will respond.
Oh, will respond.
Both of us. And if you're returning, y'all know what time it is, so let's get to it. You ready?
Let's do it. Oh, you with the other way. Here I come.
All right, guys, so this is the bathroom before. Basically, all white, void of character. And this is what we got. So we're about to transform this space. So we're actually gonna install wallpaper in the bathroom. So that will be the big ooh, ah moment. Sensation. Yes, because you need a sensation. So my theory is small rooms, I love to either go dark and bold or do like a bold wallpaper or something graphic because it's small. So you wanna still have that wow factor and it's unexpected, especially in the bathroom, right?
Especially in the bathroom.
Mm-hmm. I mean, if you gotta go,
You want to look good.
go in style. So we already measure and now we're gonna pre-cut. So you always wanna make sure you measure twice, cut once, or this time measure 4 or 5 times and then cut once because it's basically a big sticker. So, you know, and we have a pattern. So you wanna make sure that
it's right. Because if it's not right,
it's wrong. And we don't do wrong. No, that's right. So let's get it cut.
All right, cut it.
Cutting up.
So I went a little bit bigger. I went 6 instead of 5.5 so you can get that perfect cut. Or excuse me, perfect lay.
All right, so now we've moved to the bathroom and we are about to install the first piece of the puzzle. I told y'all it's gonna be a long install. Like it's just one little while.
And that's fine.
And this one about to run my nerves. But we're about to install the first piece, so here we go.
Okay, so what you're gonna do is you wanna get in that corner, just ease your way all the way. And you wanna have a little bit of overlappage. And just make sure you're at the tippy top. You just wanna press firmly. Now you take your little device, squeegee, burnisher, whatever you call it, and you just go right at the top. Press it right there. Now while you're doing that, you take this underneath and you're just gonna come all the way down. You pull this at the same time. Ooh. You got it, you make sure you're getting it, you got it? Okay. You just slide it right across, left, right. You can sing a little tune. Dum dum diddy. Ooh, see right in there, just get right in that little crease. So once you have the piece in, you're gonna wanna glide your blade right down. It's a clean line, just go all the way down. Like, look at that, ooh, ah.
Now we have finally finished the wallpaper. It only took like forever. No, I'm just.
No, it didn't take that long.
Whatever. So now that the wallpaper is finished, now it is time to accessorize. So let's get to it. Boop. All right, guys, so that is the big reveal of the bathroom. So we've showed you how to install wallpaper, you know, throw a little accessories in there, a little accoutrement.
Oh, French?
French.
French.
Oui, oui.
Oh, oui, oui.
So I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I hope you guys learned something from my dear friend Ronnie. And I just want to give a big shout out to you. Thank you so much for helping me, like, in everyday life and on this video, as you can see, because I can't do nothing without Ronnie.
You're welcome, but thank you.
But I did several videos without.
Oh, here we go.
Anywho, you can follow me on Instagram at Alvin Wayne, and you can follow Ronnie at
Ronstoppable _ that's 3 P's with an underscore.
PPG.
Oh, P. Hey.
So y'all literally see what I did with every day, but I wouldn't have it any other way. So thank you guys. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, share. Leave us a comment. I'll comment back. He'll comment back.
We'll respond.
We'll respond. So until next time, see y'all.
Au revoir. That's French.
I'm gonna jump in the shower.
Oh, not me.
Close my door.